So Krista and I are camping out tonight in New Harmony, Indiana, and we are shopping at Home Depot right now because we're picking up some parts for a Hillbilly air conditioner that we saw online, and we're going to try to make it because it's hot. And we're sleeping in the van. So okay, so this is our Hillbilly, what do we call it? Hillbilly air conditioner. So we saw it online. So we've got our fan, we've got our PVC, and we've got our ice, which you can really see inside. There's ice in there, and we're getting ready to plug it in, and we'll see if it works. All right, here we go. Let's see if it works. Where do we turn the fan on, or is it supposed to just come on?
No, it has an on switch. It's right there.
Ah, so you gotta be smarter than the air conditioner. Here we go. Oh, cold air. It works. Hey. So we're camping in a New Harmony State Park tonight. So we are sleeping in our van, and we have our air conditioner now. So we'll see how this works. Getting ready for the eclipse tomorrow. I'm happy to report that the Hillbilly air conditioner worked well. We slept well last night and took the edge off in the van, cooled it down enough to make it comfortable. So, you know, you see something online and you think you want to give it a try. It didn't cost that much to do. It was a styrofoam cooler, a couple pieces of PVC pipe, a bag of ice, and a little fan. For about 20 bucks, you can put this together and cool off your tent, cool off your van, and enjoy.